running kimono. So I'm shooting this video around 5 o'clock because it's been a sort of day where the day kind of escaped me, and I think a lot of you can kind of understand what I'm talking about. All right, so there is no weather report because it's pitch black here. It gets really dark quickly, but the store is Bath and Body Works today, and the Walgreens preview will be up tomorrow, which is Saturday the 11th, and I apologize, it's just not up today. I ran out of time. So Bath and Body Works, I made a video earlier in the week about Body Care Day. Body Care Day is being celebrated today, which is the 10th, and tomorrow, which is the 11th, so 2 days. And these products, which are body care products, are all reduced down to $5.50 each. Now, we had a prediction of $6.30. Last year it was $5.95, but they dropped the price in this, yet, you know what's interesting? Candle Day jumped a little bit in price. So this doesn't make sense, but hey, it's Bath and Body Works. So what I did, guys, I'm gonna go through the math really quickly because I know a lot of you are just here for the mathematical breakdown, as I grabbed 9 items. 9 items for a total of $49.50. I used a $50 IBOTTA gift card. So I just paid the tax, which was super smart. Now, if you only have a $20 IBOTTA gift card or Fetch gift card, I would grab 4 items at $22, use that $20 gift card, and pay $2 plus the tax. So what I tried to do was I avoided buying any sort of Christmas item because Christmas stuff will be on clearance starting on the 26th as part of their semi-annual sale. So all of those lotions and potions, unless you're going to be gifting it to somebody, I just did not want to buy it because I know I'm going to get it really cheap, if not cheaper than $5.50 starting on the 26th. So I stuck with this aromatherapy line, which is a higher value line. And then I grabbed a couple of these sprays. And I also got this, it's called a shower, it's for the shower. It's this little pack that you put in the shower, and it's a steamer. And I've never tried these. It really smells like eucalyptus. My husband hates that scent, but I thought, you know, for me, you know, sometimes you get a cold or something like that. I thought I would give these a shot. They also had the bath salts, but those bath salts are very, very strong. So I thought maybe starting with half of one of these, that might work for me. So I grabbed 2 of these gingham sprays, and I have a lot of, this is like their signature line. I have a lot of these. So these are typically $15.50, so it's $10 off. That is a really good price point. It's just like a girly sort of scent. And then I grabbed 4 of these, and I just thought this would be a really nice thing. It's just a little sleep lotion in their aromatherapy line, and the scents are lavender and vanilla. And I grabbed one of these, which is called Stress Relief Eucalyptus Tea. I'm kind of curious about that tea note, but a lot of this stuff I will be gifting. And then this one's for me, it's tea tree and peppermint. That sounds marvelous, especially for like foot. So I grabbed one of these for myself, and even though I'm like, don't grab anything with the holiday stuff, I guess I lied because I went and got one. And then this in the shower, even though it's like super, super strong, I think half of one of these would be absolutely glorious in the shower. You know, sometimes you just really need to wake up in the shower. I think that will really work. So for all of this, I just paid the tax. I think that's a really smart way to go. You have Saturday, December the 11th in store to do this. I think online was only part of today, but to get a lot of this stuff that's like $15.50. I think these ones are, they are $13.50 each, and they're made out of glass, so it's really fancy. Okay, so again, in this aromatherapy line, these are bath soaks or salts, and they are $18.50 each. So if you wanted to go for the top value stuff, it's definitely in this aromatherapy line, and just look around the store. They had it throughout the store, and this stuff is not cheap. What a nice Christmas gift that would make. And again, they have signage everywhere, so you have an idea that you're not grabbing the wrong stuff. They even have this cute little thing called pillow spray. So if you really love like perfumes, you just put a little bit of that over your pillow and sleep like an angel. And then, as I was stating before, guys, a lot of this Christmas lotions and sprays and perfumes, wait until December the 26th at the beginning of the semi-annual sale. All of this stuff will be part of it. And look high and low in the store. Somebody put this coupon right near the gift cards. So I wish I could have found a 10 off of 40, but I found this, but I just left it at the store. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.